Now we are going to learn which ratio to use for a given problem. Sine is used when the question involves the angle, opposite, and the hypotenuse. It can be used to find the unknown angle. It can be used to find the unknown opposite side, and can be used to find the unknown hypotenuse. Cosine is used when the question involves the angle, adjacent side, and the hypotenuse side. You can use to find the angle, you can use to find the adjacent side, and also can be used to find the hypotenuse. Tangent is used when the question involves the angle, opposite side, and the adjacent side. It can be used to find the unknown angle, can be used to find the unknown opposite side, and can be used to find the unknown adjacent side. So we're going to show you the steps in finding the unknown side of a right angle triangle. In this question, we are to find the length of x. The first thing we need to do is to determine the two sides marked. With reference to 40 degrees, the length of x is opposite to 40 degrees. 64 centimeter is the hypotenuse because it is the length opposite the right angle. We choose the correct Trigo ratio. Opposite hypotenuse, we have the relation of sine angle equals to the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse. We sub in the values and we do a cross multiply and we solve for x. In this question, the two marked sides 6 cm and centimeter. With respect to 58 degrees, 6 cm is the opposite length and at centimeter is the adjacent length. We choose the correct ratio for adjacent hypotenuse, which is the tangent. And we sub in the values, and we have tangent 50 equals 6 over x, and we use the cross multiply to make x the subject. Finally, we solve for the question. Next, we will calculate the measurement of the unknown angle of a right angle triangle. Similarly, first thing we do is to mark out the two given sides. 21 cm is the hypotenuse because it is opposite the right angle, and 15 cm is the opposite because it is opposite to the angle. Next, we choose the correct ratio, substitute in the values, and to find the angle, we use the inverse sine function on the calculator, and we solve for the question. Similarly, for this question, 14.8 cm is the hypotenuse because it is the length opposite the right angle. 9.7 cm is the adjacent length because it's beside the angle B. We choose the correct ratio for adjacent over hypotenuse, substitute in the values, use the inverse cosine function calculator to calculate the angle.